Allosaurus. Allosaurus is a genus of large carnosaurian theropod dinosaurs. Panda. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China. Fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals. Cheetah. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and Southwest Asia. Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Peacock. Peacock, also known as peafowl, are medium-sized birds. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer. Triceratops. Triceratops is a genus of herbivorous dinosaur. Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coat. Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer. Fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals. Cheetah. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and Southwest Asia. Bull. Bull. Bear. Bear are mammals that belong to the family Ursidae. Peacock. Peacock, also known as peafowl, are medium-sized birds. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coats. Panda. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China. Allosaurus is a genus of large carnosaurian theropod dinosaur. Wolf. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf. Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Triceratops. Triceratops is a genus of herbivorous dinosaur. Donkey. Goat, baby. Cow. lamb, hen, dog, horse, cat, sheep, goat, camel, donkey, goat baby, cow, lamb, hen, dog, horse, cat, sheep, goat, camel, lamb, lamb, horse. The horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Sheep. Sheep are ruminant mammal, typically kept as a livestock. Cattle. Cattle are large, domesticated, cloven-hoofed herbivores. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Hen. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl. Cow. Cow are important domesticated animal that provides meat and milk. Donkey. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family. Dog. The dog is domesticated descendant of the wolf. Hen. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl. Goat. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species. Camel. A camel is an even-toed. Goat baby. Goat baby. Dog. Dog. Cow. Cow. Cat. Cat. Goat. Goat. Horse. Horse. Sheep. Sheep. Hen. Hen. Camel. Camel. Lamb. Lamb.